guys, I'm back. I'm like Zion from Trinity's Tarot, back for another read for my water signs. You guys, yes, Scorpio, Pisces, and Cancer. Still waters run deep, you guys. Yes, all my artsy, deep, emotional, sensitive, yeah. Intense, I should say. Intense. You guys are intense. I know I'm a rising Cancer. Yeah, we can be a little, not all, but we can be a little out there, right? Yeah. So, okay, guys, without further ado, if you don't know what your chart is, check it out. Go, find out what time you were born. And if you can't figure that out, that's okay. Check out you know, what your rising, go to astrology.com, you know, yeah, you're not just your sun sign, okay? So this is going to be a general read for my water signs, Scorpio, Cancer, and Pisces, okay? Yes, this is for your Venus as well. Check out your Venus signs. So you guys, this can be for, you know, if it's not just your sun, this can also be like in your chart. Check out your chart. You can have a few different placements. You can have different water signs in your chart. Yeah? Okay, cool. So I have a couple of different decks on hand. If you're new, awesome. Thanks for liking, subscribing, commenting down below, telling me if this resonated. Tell me if it didn't. That's okay too. If it didn't, it's for the next person. And yeah, letting me know what's going on with you guys. Tell me what's going on. Let me know if you guys would like a personal read. I do those as well. And that's it. Yeah, please like, subscribe, and share. If you feel like this is helpful for someone you know, a fellow water sign, yeah? Yeah, happy birthdays soon to be for Cancer. You guys your birthdays are around the corner. Or now. Actually, it's Cancer season. Yeah, sorry. Cancer season. Happy birthday, guys. Yeah. Okay. I'm using my Zombie Tarot deck, and I'm having trouble shuffling them right now. Isn't that wonderful? Yeah. Okay, let's see what's up with them. You guys are tired of the games, but you guys are getting a lot of romantic offers. You guys are getting romance. You guys might also be starting out with some, because I have some Queen of Swords energy here. You guys have some, like, you guys might be starting up with this Ace of Wands. This is a very sexual card, so this is like you guys getting lots of offers for people that want to like start the ball with you, like romantically, sexually. But with the Six of Wands, I see that you guys, it might just be for work, so you guys might want to just start things out like you might just want to work with people. But with the Queen of Swords energy here, you guys might be tired of the runaround with a particular person here. You might just be getting a lot of Page of Cups energy, so it might just be someone that might just want to like have fun with you. This could just be someone with younger energy, water, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Let's get a little bit of clarification on that, just to see what's going on. You guys are actually just doing really well. You guys are being really victorious in whatever it is that you guys have been doing, whether it's a hobby or whether it's at work. You guys are getting recognized for what it is that you've been doing. You guys have been working really hard, so you guys are standing out. If you guys thought that it was over between you and someone else, this chapter is not over between you and someone else. Someone might want to resurrect things between the two of you. So something to look at with the energy of Scorpio, with the Death card here. You guys might want to start things up with someone else again. Like perhaps in the past it was really bittersweet between you and someone else. Maybe you guys had something going and then it was a little touch and go back and forth. you and someone else. Like maybe you really cared a lot for them, but they didn't show you a whole lot of emotion. So it was very, very touch and go, and it was very painful for you. But I see you guys had like whatever pain that you may have felt for this person, I see it going away. It's been you don't feel so much pain as you once did for this person. You're letting that go. That chapter is now, even though someone might want it not to be over for you, you guys are letting this go because you guys are feeling a lot more empowered, because you guys are very victorious, because you guys have been focusing a lot more on your work, whether that's finishing up things with your career, or with like school, if you guys are like finishing up your masters, or like getting different degrees, or moving on in your field of work. Let me see, just to clarify a little bit with you guys. Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer, what's going on with you guys? Yeah, like you guys finally, like, whatever was going on with you guys like took your time in figuring out what it was that you needed to do for you. So you guys were like very tactical, and you guys were guarded, and you guys now finally were able to get some karma and justice for you. Like things are really finally, like the scales are being balanced in your favor. So I see that happening for you guys. That's also Libra energy. So with the with what's been going on with the planets in retrograde, it's very likely that what was going on with you guys in the past, people could be trying to come back to you. What's been going on with you guys? Something to keep in mind. Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. You guys finally are really standing in your power, your strength, and expression, because you guys have you guys are finally really, like, with the Six of Wands energy here, you guys are victorious because you guys have really been standing in your truth. You guys finally got karma and justice and balance, okay? With the Spirit of Lightning here. But it's really not just like overnight. This has all been happening because you guys have finally been really defending yourselves by really, like, not just letting anything come into your life. You guys have been really tactical about what you do. You guys have been more guarded. You guys are a lot more careful about the energies that you guys allow in and out of your world, right? Even though it's been bittersweet, even though it's been painful, even though it's been difficult for you guys haven't just it's taken a lot of time, and you guys are really, like, finally receiving, like, justice here with Libra energy as well. You guys might have Libra in there. I just see that you guys finally are, like, also you guys might be working with the occult. Maybe you guys are I don't know if you guys are working with magic or law of attraction, or using vision boards and things like that. You guys are really finally trying to own your truth and taking care of yourselves first, which is really good. Because I see that for a while you guys were really waiting for someone to come back to you. You guys have this wounded warrior energy about you. You guys were having, like, a really hard time sleeping, a lot of insomnia, and, like, you guys were really depressed about whether it was a failed relationship. I see that you guys, like, maybe we're waiting for, like, this love letter or, like, this text message to come in when it came to a relationship. I see you guys waiting on that. But what happened was that whoever it was really deceptive, and so there's a little narcissistic energy there for you guys. So I'm going to give you guys some twin flame shadows to give you guys a little clarification as to what kind of darkness you guys were working with. Because with the right here with the Seven of Pentacles, this speaks of people when you guys, like, were dropping a lot of, like, seeds of waiting and, like, just waiting for your ships to come in to no avail, waiting in vain, waiting in vain. You guys are like, because this is the whole thing, you guys are totally victorious when it comes to like your work, when it comes to your coin and all this other stuff, but still you guys felt like you're not succeeding in the romantic department. So I see here that you guys feel very disconnected when it comes to this particular person, and this other person here, like they toyed with you. I see that they have this like ruthless energy about them. They didn't really like care about your feelings, this person. I'm going to give you guys a couple of more messages here with the arrows of love oracle here to give you guys some more messages here. What is going on with the Cancer, the Scorpio, Pisces? What goes on with this? So why with the Nine of Swords? What's with the sleepless nights? Clarify the sleepless nights for me, please. Clarify the sleepless nights. Yeah, you guys were trying to give your heart to someone that was very guarded. Very, very guarded. Someone that said farewell to you. And you guys were feeling like there was a potential for true love. So that's what I'm seeing here. Let's see what else I can do to clarify for you guys a bit more. Ooh. Not with those. When they fall down, I don't read those. I'm gonna mix them a bit better. All right, so for the 9. Why the sleepless nights? 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 What's up with them? Why the sleepless nights? Why the sleepless nights? What's up with them? What's up with the sleepless nights? Yeah, you guys also might be grieving. I don't know if you guys had some loss. I see you guys grieving the end of something. I also see you guys trying to get away from something very toxic. Getting away from something toxic. You guys needing to go on a vacation of sorts. And seeing that somebody was really behaving like a fool with you. Is what I'm getting here as well. Let's see what else I got for you guys. Behaving like a fool, taking you guys for a ride. Let's see what else. What's up with that? Yeah, and you guys really thought that you could have it all with this person, but this person just really liked arguing and fighting with you for no reason at all. So you guys really put your head to the work. Put your head into the work, you put your head into the books, and because of this, you guys have been very victorious. But I really do see that you guys are now, because of all of this, you guys are a lot more guarded, you guys are a lot more tactful in your in what you do, and because of this, you guys have a lot more power and a hell of a lot more strength because of this. And you guys are standing in your truth. So I'm really glad about that. You guys have been through quite a bit. I'm seeing this. Let's see what's going on. What other messages do we have here for Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio? What more messages do you guys have? Can we clarify for Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio? What other messages do you guys have for them, please? Yeah, you guys are a lot more solid and stable. Like if you guys were having a hard time before, it's because you guys were wasting a little bit of time with someone that was really rotten. This person was not really kind to you. And now you guys are feeling a lot more solid, a lot more grounded, a lot more stable. And you guys feel this way because you guys have been focusing on yourselves when you guys are out in nature and when you guys are like really just, you know, focused on your work and focused on yourselves. You guys are in a much, much better place. I'm going to give you guys a couple of these fairy messages and see what else we have for you. What else? What other messages do I have for the water signs? What other messages? With the Six of Swords, what else do we have for them to get away, to get out of these choppy waters? What do they need to do? What other messages do you have for my Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces? What other messages do you have for my Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces? What else? To get away from the toxic situation? What else? What else? Yeah, I see you guys doing stuff in autumn. In the fall season, everything's going to come together. And you guys are going to reap wonderful rewards. I see you guys eating better. And that you guys, I don't know if you guys are like changing your diet and you guys are vegetarians, or if there's any of you out there doing that. Let's see what else. Yeah, so goodbye to the old and hello to the new. You guys have finished one part of your life and now a new and even better part is beginning, but you're gonna have to say goodbye to the old in order for the new to begin. I hope that has resonated, guys, and if it has not, that's okay. It's for the next person. I'm wishing you guys nothing but love and light. I'm going to give you guys one more star seed to give you guys another message. Yeah, so trust in your ability to create the vision in your soul, guys. Yeah? Okay, I hope that has given you something to think about. Wishing you guys love. Peace out. Bye.